my angels, how are you? After a little long, I'm back with my new makeup tutorial in my YouTube channel. So welcome back guys. And finally the lockdown is getting over and I hope everyone is safe. So what's special today? I have created this beautiful sunset inspired eye makeup and with a glam look. I have created this look with one of my favorite products and I always like this kind of warm toned bronzy glam look. And I'm sure if you also want to create this kind of a glam look, this makeup tutorial will surely help you out. So what else? I hope you also don't want to get late. So let's begin. And yes, if you're watching my video for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications when I'm uploading a new video. This is PAC Revitalizing Eye Primer, one of my favorite, which hydrates and moisturizes my eyelid so much that helps me to prepare my eyelid for any kind of eye makeup. This is ProArt AB34 brush, which is an eyebrow brush, and firstly I'm applying eyebrow cream from this palette to brush my eyebrows. I'm applying a little stroke on the beginning point of my eyebrow and I'm creating the upper and lower eyebrow borderline with this cream. Then I have taken PAC 314 eyebrow brush and I have taken the same Makeup Revolution palette and I have mixed up that two powder colors. Then I am packing that eyebrow cream with that powder and filling up the eyebrow area in between the borders and the blank spaces. And as usual, don't worry about the products, I will describe everything below in my description box. I always use these two concealer brushes to define my eyebrows. The small one is a smudger brush from Crown and the big flat one is PAC 341 number brush. Now I am taking PAC Pink Beauty Blender, which I always use to blend cream products on my face. Now it's time to clean the upside of my eyebrow. So let's start the eye makeup now. Today I am going to use these two beautiful eyeshadow palette. One is Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette and the second one is Root Cosmetics Siest Fantastic palette. Today I am going to create my eye makeup with these colors. This beautiful red from Siest Fantastic palette and this yellow, orange and two type of brown colors from this Color Studio palette. At first I have taken Real Technique blending brush and applying the red color on my crease. Then I am taking PAC 389 blending brush and taking that orange color and creating the transition with the red color. Then I am taking PAC 373 flat blending brush and now I have taken the yellow color, making the transition with the orange color. PAC 119 is a small Chotu Sa blending brush. I have taken the mix of brown colors with it, applying it on the proper crease line on top of the red color and making the crease deep and prominent. And this is another small blending brush from PAC, which is 201 number brush, and I'm blending the harsh line in between red and brown color with it. And now I'm repeating the colors with the same brushes I have applied, making the color more prominent where it is needed and blending all the colors to make a good transition. And to keep the eyebrow hairs in place, I am applying NYX Eyebrow Mascara in the shade of Espresso. And now I have taken Crown Chisel Shadow Flat Brush and I am going to applying the highlighter on my brow bone, which I am going to use it on my face also. Now I am applying Dermacol 218 shade on my eyelid with the help of Crown Smudger Brush and raising my eyeball upwards. That concealer can touches the crease area. This is the process to make a risk-free cut crease. Now I am creating the proper crease line with the concealer. And now I am blending the concealer on both the corner of my eyes. Now I have taken PAC 341 flat brush and picked up the red color and applying it on the two sides of my eyelid. And also blending it with the center to make a halo effect. Now I have taken the Real Technique flat shader brush and mixed up the orange and yellow color and applying it on the eyelid center. Now I have taken the brown color with the same brush I have applied previously and creating the contour effect on both the corners of my eyes. And this is my favorite drugstore liquid eyeshadow. It's Nicka K Liquid Radiant Eyeshadow in the shade Summer Solistic. And I'm applying it with PAC 031 liner brush. And now I'm creating a glittery line which is distinguishing the eyelid from the crease. And this is Makeup Studio 2-way gel which can use as a pigment glue. Now I'm applying Makeup Revolution Glitter Bomb Loose Pigments. The shade name is Out Out. And I'm applying it on my eyelid near to my upper lash line to create a pure sunset look. Guys, you don't have to use the same brushes which I have used. You just can buy the similar kind of brushes I'm using. Now I'm using the Technique eyeliner on my upper eyelash area. And this is my favorite kajal, which is Face's Ultimate Pro Kohl Pencil. And I'm applying it on the eye upper waterline. Now I'm using my one of the favorite drugstore mascara, which is L'Oreal Lash Superstar Mascara. I'm moisturizing my cream with the PAC Lightful Moisture Cream. It's a very nice hydrating moisture cream which creates the skin canvas so smooth that you will love to do layers of makeup on it. Now this is PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream, one of the best drugstore silicone primer available in the market. It helps to fill up the pores and helps the makeup to stay a longer period of time. This is a good drugstore concealer palette, which is a PAC Cream Concealer Palette. I think you couldn't see the colors properly for the reflection of light, so I'm providing the separate picture here. It has all the colors for dark to medium skin range and it has orange corrector also. I think it's great. And I'm blending it with the same sponge, which is a PAC Pink Beauty Blender. With all the product descriptions, I am providing buying links also, that you can buy all the products from my links. Now this is my one of the favorite high-end foundation, that is Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. The shade is Olive. Here I am telling you guys I am NC35 from MAC, so my shade is Olive, and you people can buy your foundation according to your skin shade if you are buying online, or if you are going to Sephora, the representatives can help you out. This foundation says the correct words. This is actually the Ultimate Coverage Foundation. If you doesn't have no such prominent pigmentation problem on your skin, then you don't have to apply the concealer underneath your foundation. Now I am applying my favorite concealer, that is Dermacol, in the shade 210. This is a perfect highlight shade for me. So I am applying it to brighten my under eye area and on all my highlight points. Now I am taking this contour shade from the PAC Cream Concealer Palette and applying it on my contour areas. And I'm blending all the cream products I've applied on my face with the same beauty blender, PAC Pink Beauty Sponge. Make sure that you are using two different beauty blenders for contour and for the highlighting. Now I'm using my favorite pressed powder, that is Makeup Forever Pressed Translucent Powder, and setting up all the cream products on my face. And now it's time to complete the eye makeup. Here I have taken the orange color and blending up with a big blending brush. And I am applying the red color on top of it and blending. Then here I am taking the deep brown color and blending on top of it. It is very important to blend all the colors, but keeping in mind that all the colors should be visible and the transition also should be seeing very flawless. Now I am applying PAC Loose Shimmers on the inner corners of my eyes. Now it's time to set the cream contour on my face. I am using Makeup Revolution Contour Palette. This is the matte bronzing palette where the color is too good to use on the medium skin tone. And now is the interesting thing coming up. That is my today's blush palette. It's a Neon blush palette and the colors are super cute, as you can see. And you will definitely get surprised after knowing the price of it. It's just for 350 rupees. Today I am using this two gorgeous highlighter palette. I'm sure the light reflection is so harsh, so I'm providing you the natural light photographs. The right side one is the Ferasat Wet Highlighter Palette. So firstly applying this color on my cheeks and the highlighter points. And the left side one is Makeup Revolution Limited Edition Highlighter Palette. So I am taking this shade now and I am applying it on my highlight point too. I always apply this technique to create a glam gorgeous look. And now I am finishing my face makeup with the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Today I have applied PAC Mink Eyelashes number 73 and apply it with the PAC Eyelash Glue. So here you can see my completed look. And the blonde highlight which you can see on my hair, I had to do it by myself only because we know about the lockdown and all and parlor services were stopped. So how do you like it? Please don't forget to let me know in the comment section, and if you want the detailed tutorial of it, how did I do it and all that. If I get the request like that, I'll definitely try to do my level best to make a tutorial on that. I've got immense love from you guys on my previous tutorials. And in this video also, I hope you won't stop showering love as you always did. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you want to recreate this look, here are my social media handles. You can follow me here and you can tag me also. So next I'm coming up with a new tutorial on my channel. Till then, bye.